Angela, I've got a home services business. How do I show use of my trademark? I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes discussing this. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here on weekdays to discuss trademarks and copyrights. If you have trademark or copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live video and tag you so that you know I answered it. So I have quite a few businesses who are now registering trademarks for their home services businesses. And I asked one of my clients if I could use him as a case study. And because he's a cool guy, he said, yes, of course, Angela, you can use me as a case study. So I want to show you how one of my home services clients, he has a pressure washing business, is branding his services with his trademark. Now, services can be kind of difficult. You know, if I have a pen, right? Like this is a Bic pen, you can see that it has the trademark. Oh, where is it? It's right here. It's all backwards. You can see that it has the trademark on it. So branding products is pretty easy because we can either use the trademark on the packaging or on the product itself. When you have services, it can be a little bit more difficult to show the trademark office how you're using your brand in conjunction with the services or the offer of the services. Now, invoices are always a good way. Kind of boring though, if you ask me. I kind of like what my client Nick Staton is doing. I'm going to show you. I'm going to switch myself here. So one of the places where I want to see branding as your trademark attorney is on your website. And you can see that Nick has done this here. I'm going to move this a little bit. It's in the way. So Nick has put his trademark here in the header of his website. So that means that it actually ends up on every page, including the contact page where you can contact Nick to get his pressure washing services, right? So I want to see it there. The other place where I want to see it is if you have staff or if you wear clothing or a uniform when you perform the services, that is a great place to put your trademark. You can see Nick has for himself and his staff to wear a shirt, long sleeve and short sleeve, that says the Wet and Wild brand on it. So that's another way of branding your services. What else? You can see here, he's got one of his staff, he's taken a photograph of them wearing the shirt while performing the services. That is great trademark use. Another thing you can do is signage. This is a caution sign that Nick puts out when he's cleaning so that other people, you know, don't get in the way or accidentally get sprayed, I guess, whatever. But if you notice, it's got his brand on it right here, the Wet and Wild brand. So that is another way. What's another thing that sometimes people do? Sometimes they brand their vehicles, right? So the vehicle is what comes to your house or your business in order to perform the pressure washing services. And it also drives around with your name and your phone number on it so that people can go, oh gosh, I've been meaning to get the deck pressure washed because it's got a layer of slime on it. So I'm going to just take a photo of that and make a phone call when I get home so that I can get my deck pressure washed. So those are all examples of ways that you can show use of your trademark in conjunction with your home services businesses. If I can help you register your trademark, give me a call or find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. You can also just search Trademark Doctor and it will bring you all of my social media pages and my YouTube channel where I have over 500 videos about trademark and copyright law.